Good day, mga ka-soilmate and co-retirees. It's Canada Day in Langley and all over Canada. And so, we're spending our time sa backyard. Thank you, Canada, for accepting us as immigrant in this country for over 19 years. I still remember when we moved here. It's 24 day after the celebration of Canada Day, July 25, 2005, when we decided to move to Canada. So, nothing to regret. Everything seems to be okay. Although there were challenges in life, but everything seems to be good for all of us. Good decision for our kids and for ourselves. So, nakapag-retire ako ng maayos, both in the Philippines and in Canada. And all my kids are enjoying their life in Canada with my grandchildren. Dati, 6 lang kami. We were 4 kids at saka kaming mag-asawa when we moved here. Ngayon, we have additional members of the family. Dadagdagan ng grandchildren. Now, I have 3 grandchildren, 2 girls and 1 boy. So, makikita nyo, on Canada Day, nag-bloom yung red roses ng husband, yung gift ng husband ko for Mother's Day. Itong white, I think baka siguro in the next few days. Kasi white and red yung binigay niya sa akin para daw Canada Day. So, yung peonies ko na lang ang white. Yung pink, already gone. Kasi ang peonies, they don't stay for a while. Parang mga 3 days. So, we have a small place to stay with kids and enjoy the place here. Meron silang mini pool. And my husband decorated our pergola. Merong Canada Day. Hindi masyado makita kasi it's too bright. So yan, Happy Canada Day. My grandson said Happy Canada Day.
Why you do that to me? Happy Canada Day. Ayaw titi Happy Canada Day to your viewers. Please. No, ayaw titi Happy Canada Day too. Happy Canada Day!
So, yan. Talagang dinecorate ng husband ko just to be able to express his gratitude sa life namin dito sa Canada. So, ang ganda rin for this year, nagkaroon kami ng maraming apple. Ayan. As I mentioned, yung iba kinover ko kasi it's really hard for the small tree to bear too much apple. Tapos even may begonia, so super red. Happy Canada Day. So ito lang yung namin, being grateful and thankful for all God's blessing sa aming pamilya. Pati aming upuan, red kasi Canada Day. Pero dati namang red yan. Kasi ewan ko, ang attraction sa akin ng red and yellow, plus green. Yan yung mga colors which we really appreciate. So mamaya siguro we will have our dinner here.
No.
Ang aking look at this. These are my red roses. Yan, pink, red. So talaga Canada Day. No, di ba? So I'm hoping that everyone is enjoying the Canada Day. Kahit anong way of celebrating, basta we have to remember to be thankful for all the good things, the challenges we are facing here in Canada. Nasa tao yun sa aking pagtingin, no? When we face challenges na sa atin, kung paano natin yung titignan, in a positive way or in a negative way. But so far, kami, nakikita namin na yung pagpunta namin dito is really a good decision for all of us. Kasi di na nila kami iisipin. If we go older kasi yung medical benefits, yung support for seniors is so great in this country. So, yun.
Don't video me. Don't video me.
My grandson is so sensitive. Don't video me. He just wanted to greet. Ito yung aking granddaughter enjoying. So, maraming dapat ipagpasalamat. No? Hindi natin ipapokus sa negative but positive. Sana lahat ng mga retirees at
Canada Day.
ko ay nag-enjoy ng Canada Day, whether nasa senior home sila o sa sarili nilang bahay o outside the country, may sa Pilipinas or anywhere else in the world na nagbabakasyon kasi summer dito. Thank you, Lord, for all the blessings.
Food and thank you for the Canada.
Oh,
Happy
thank-
birthday.
Oh, tignan mo yung apo ko. Thank you, Lord, daw for Canada. Happy birthday. Natuto siya, no? Kasi lagi namin sinasabi sa kanya, every day we have to be thankful. So, hanggang dito na lang. July 1st, Canada Day, yung friend ko nagse-celebrate ng kanyang birthday with the family. Nakita ko sila sa Facebook, masaya sila. Shout out kay Mr. Virgilio Aquino, ang aming great man, great supporter here in Langley, husband ng aking classmate. So, salamat sa Lord, salamat for everything. Happy Canada Day to all and enjoy the rest of the day. Bye for now. This is Au Lucas from Langley, BC, your ka-retiree. Salamat po.